And the race is on. Don Edwards best, rushing up Flores, Spanish Lover getting better. Then his song down on the inside. Getting better, Flores alongside is Don Edwards best. Then his song is running by the rail in the middle portion is Spanish Lover. And alongside is entry number 7, Giant Sloom. Getting better. Then his song is running by the rail. And on the outside is Flores. Under further outside is Don Edwards best, rushing as Spanish Lover. Giant Sloom 8 deep from the outside. And rounding a far turn, getting better by a long neck, followed by Denny's song down on the inside is Spanish Lover. Giant Sloom, Don Edwards best, Flores. And at a far turn, Denny's song this time by ahead. And on the outside is getting better. And rushing up is Giant Sloom, a long shot. As they race up on a corner, getting better, regains the lead from Denny's song by the rail. And on the outside, Spanish Lover, Giant Sloom, getting better by ahead. And Denny's song down on the inside, fighting back, getting better, Denny's song, getting better, Denny's song by the rail. And hitting the finish line, getting better than his song by the rail. Then come number 4, Flores, Take Me Tonight, Spanish Lover. Number 6, Kingman Joe, Don Edwards best. And number 7, Giant Sloom.